Navratri season going on, and I have designed couple of Navratri theme activities, Montessori inspired activities for my 19 months old toddler. So let's see what are the activities. This is a fine motor skills activity. I have hand drawn faces of Durga Mata, and this is a pack of bindi, and the activity is to peel off the bindi and put it at the right place. Since this paper is put inside this plastic sheet, the bindis can be removed and reused a couple of times. So a pretty cheap sticker peeling activity. Then I have this one-to-one correspondence pre-math activity. This is a chocolate box, old chocolate box, and these are marigold flowers. So the activity is to put one flower in each of the cavities. You can also try with a clothespin to increase the difficulty level, using a clothespin and putting in the cavity. This is a practical life activity. These are mango leaves, and there is a tradition of making a toran from mango leaves on the Shera. So the activity is to use this punching machine on the leaf and then using a lace to thread the leaves through this lace. You cannot ignore Ravan from the activities, and you cannot ignore counting. So this is again a hand-drawn Ravan, and for the noses I have put numbers, and these are wooden numbers, so the activity is to match the numbers. This is a sorting activity. The activity is to sort orange flowers and yellow flowers. This can also be tweaked in a way that your child likes. For example, sorting leaves and flowers, or sorting different colored flowers, or even sorting the flowers based on the size. So small flowers and big flowers. This is a sensory activity. These are some flowers, and I'm going to put some water in this Laksh pan, and the activity is to take out the petals of these flowers, and create a beautiful rangoli out of the petals over the water. This is a pretend play activity, very cute balance I have, and then I have some fruits and some weights, teddy bear weights. So since it's fasting season in Navratri, I thought I'll explain this using this pretend play. So basically one of us will become a fruit seller, and we will purchase fruits using this balance beam, purchasing fruits. So a lot of things can be learned in this free play and pretend play activity. This is a quick culture activity. I have created a bow and arrow using these hula hoop connectors and a long piece of cloth, and this is a stick we got from our nature walks, and we are just going to do free play with this bow and arrow, and maybe use this as a prop while reading our books based on Navratri and Dashera. This is an arts activity. These are tempera paints, washable paints, and these are sticks. Well, we already painted these sticks before I created this video. So these are some brushes, and the activity is to paint these sticks and create dandiya sticks out of these. So we are going to play dandiya with these sticks. These are a couple of books that we are going to read. This is a beautiful book on Durga, the feminine force. It has a couple of stories in there. And these two are beautiful books based on Ravan, and it has such lovely illustrations. So both of these Ravan books are from National Book Trust, NBT. This is from Om Kids. So yeah, these were some activities. I hope you liked them. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and keep looking out for videos on parenting, early learning, Montessori, and lots of other things. Catch you later. Until then, happy parenting. Bye-bye.